Holley's mid-mount system completes our trilogy of accessory drive solutions. It offers you yet another mounting option in addition to our previously released high and low mount accessory drives. Our mid-mount accessory drive is a unique system designed for GM's LS and LT engine applications that mounts your engine's accessories in tighter than any other accessory drive can. At the heart of the system is our patent-pending bracketless design. That's right, no spacers, no adapters, and no brackets to mess with. Your engine accessories bolt directly to the water pump for a clean, compact installation. Holley's design offers you greater engine access and visibility, letting you show off the horsepower, not the accessories. Our mid-mount water pump shares some design cues found in the C7 Corvette, such as a cartridge-style pump unit. If you should happen to have a pump failure, there's no need to replace the entire pump assembly. Simply remove the belt, rotate the pulley to access the bolts, then swap out the pump cartridge with a new one. We've also added some features to the pump housing, making it more swap-friendly. A shortened pump outlet tube provides extra room to route your radiator hose. We also incorporate a convenient inlet to connect the LS steam tubes to. And for some cramped engine bays, we've added optional heater hose ports to the bottom of the thermostat housing. This offers you more clearance and versatility when it comes to connecting your heater, especially in custom swap installations. All accessories are included in our kit, and maintaining the original belt alignment is no longer a variable, since the water pump and crank pulley dampener are included in the kit. You'll also get the compact yet reliable SD7 AC compressor, along with a Type 2 power steering pump and baffled reservoir. This can add hydraulic power steering to your LT engine. The Holley designed alternator is just as innovative. Our custom cast alternator incorporates square wire 6-phase technology. It offers up to 150 amps of clean, high amp output and provides over 100 amps at idle. When we say complete, we mean it. Our mid-mount system comes with everything you'll need. The belt and all the pulleys are supplied, even heater hose adapters. A power steering to -6 hardline, crank bolt, and alternator plug harness is also included. All accessories retain the factory pulley ratios for optimal performance, but are more than capable of handling higher RPMs, perfect for today's high-performance engines. We offer complete setups in black, natural cast, and polished versions. You can choose our basic kit for the LS that comes with an OE-style dampener, or get the premium version for the LS, LS7, and LT applications. Holley's premium kit adds complete pulley covers and a built hard-coated crank pulley. So get it together. With 3 variations to cover almost any scenario, there's simply no excuse for a factory-appearing engine bay. Thanks for watching. For more information on Holley's complete line of accessory drive systems, visit our website at holley.com.